Takot kang magutom guys, kaya magbabaon tayo ng snacks natin papuntang South Carolina. So, syempre takot magutom ang person guys. Dadal tayo ng sari-sari store sa sasakyan guys. Siyempre yung aking favorite na lagaraya guys, hindi mawala. More chocolates. Mike's favorite snacks. Bawal magutom ng person guys. Mancho. Okay na to guys. Kasya na to for 3 days. And dadalhin natin yung ating orange and banana. And of course, yung ating bottled water guys. Bawal makalimutan ng ating water. So tuwing maalis tayo guys, pwedeng wala tayong sari-sari store na dala.